Hi guys, it's Desiree, and I'm here to show you some more stuff. Yes, you've seen this outfit before somewhere throughout the month. Actually, beginning of the month is when I wore it, because I just want to wear the same outfit and stuff all month long. I'm kidding. I'm just trying to pre-record all this. Alright, we are going to do scrub box, etc. Ooh, don't look at that. Oh, that didn't have my mailing address. We're good. Alright, Scrub Box is a monthly box. It's $24.95 and it ships between the 3rd and the 10th of every month. And it ships worldwide. There's new scents every month. You get a free glove and spoon every month. Organic and natural, exfoliate and hydrate. And there's another box on there that I didn't get much information on, but it's called a DFW scrub box, and it's more of a skin firming box. So, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. I mean, remember, it's $24.95. Get a little card in here. Says, just relax, Scrub Box, etc. was created by an esthetician. Oh my gosh, come on. For the intent that her clients would exfoliate their bodies before getting waxed. This idea caught onto her clients and became a success. We use organic essential oils in our products for their healing, antimicrobial and antibacterial and antifungal benefits. With further research, foliage, minerals, sugars, and salts were also incorporated in the plan for a healthier exfoliation. So please relax and scrub your worries away, bringing you the best Scrub Box, etc. That's cute. And that's a good idea, because you should kind of like take some kind of exfoliating stuff across like your legs, even before you shave. It's not even just for waxing. It helps. Oh, I like these gloves. I buy these all the time at Walmart. In fact, I'm kind of due for some new ones. They're great for your face. I can't do it all over my body. I don't know how people do that. I'm different. And we have a little wooden spoon. Yep, wooden. And we have Serene Mist Body Scrub directions for full body use. 1 to 2 ounces of scrub once a week to exfoliate dead skin cells. Ingredients is organic cane sugar, coconut oil, almond oil, glycerin, lavender essential oils, rosewood essential oils, ylang ylang, there we go, essential oil. And it looks like this. And there's 8 ounces in it, not tested on animals. That's what it looks like. Looks like a bunch of sugar and water. We'll give her a sniff. My mom's allergic to oils, so I can't give this to her if I don't like it. This one kind of smells like a woodsy smell, but a light one, not over intense smell. We will give it a try. I like a good scrub. I don't want to spend hours in the shower, but I like a good scrub. Alright, we have the Serene Mist Whipped Body Butter. Apply a dollop of body butter all over your exfoliated body for an intense moisturizing treatment. And it's got a lot of ingredients in there. And this is 6 ounces. It smells just like the scrub. I mean, there's a good big bit in there. It's kind of thick, but not super thick, but thick enough. Kind of like Soap and Glory, I believe it is. They got a nice thick lotion. It's like that. It's not super thick, but there is kind of like hopefully that dries down. But right now it kind of feels like a little Vaseline-y feeling. Might be good on days that you've been out in the sun. And that is it. Now what would you think of this box? I mean, there's different scents each month, so I know $24.95 for stuff just to wash your body and scrub your body down seems like a lot. But I mean, it's trying things that you don't find in Walmart, Target, Kmart, whatever little store like that you have. It's kind of stepping outside that. Might be something that you can actually see if they'll do like a bi-monthly or something. I don't know about that. I might have to send them an email to find out. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button because we want our videos showed out there. Leave me a comment. I always, in less than 24 hours, you will have a comment back to you. I just like chatting with everybody. And I will see you all later.